My name is VanMeveren. The first 8 years of my career I worked as an insurance defense attorney, and I represented big hospitals, insurance companies, and corporations. I learned very early in my career that the system wasn't fair, and the insurance companies had a tremendous advantage over the innocent victims in these cases. And it never felt right to me to be able to take advantage of their weaknesses and capitalize on things that were not their fault. That motivated me to open VanMeveren Law Group nearly 20 years ago.
I was hit by a drunk driver. I was on a highway going about 50 miles an hour. I did not have a stop sign. The drunk driver did, but he ran his stop sign and plowed into me. My car rolled over into a ditch. Had lots of bruising, lots of scratches. They thought I fractured my back at first. Luckily I didn't. I did break my thumb for sure, and I had to have surgery on my thumb.
I was on my way home from work. I came to a complete stop on the highway. Young gentleman behind me, he wasn't paying attention, and he hit me pretty good. That night I experienced a lot of pain in my neck and back. Ultimately I had to get 2 surgeries. I have been declared 45% disabled. I was in the trades. I was an electrician. I can no longer work as an electrician. Really, I could worry about healing and doing what I was supposed to get back into life as much as I could without worrying about the law side of it and the settlement.
The most important thing that we can do with our clients, because they're going through such a difficult time, is establish a good relationship. Give them the assurance that they're in a good place and that they're going to be taken care of. We want to make sure that they understand the status of their case, and we want to find out how they're doing and making sure that they're focusing on getting well and they're not worried about their case. We want to assure them that we're handling all of the details with regard to the claim and, if necessary, preparing for litigation.
I've worked with other law firms, never really got return calls. I kind of felt like I was out there left to swim on my own. Right away from the beginning, I worked with Carl. He was constantly in contact with me every week. He knew when my appointments were, very knowledgeable about my case. Carl really let me know what I needed to do on my end to work as a team and get the best results.
They remember my name as soon as I walk through the door. Catherine's been amazing. She's gone above and beyond to make sure that I understand everything that's happening, and she's been a part of every step of the way.
The satisfaction in representing individuals comes when we're able to resolve their case successfully. We're able to put money in their pockets, cover their medical bills, and when we give them that check, it's always a huge relief for the clients because they've got one less stress that they have to deal with, and handing them the settlement check, we're able to see that relief wash over their faces, and they're then in a position to move forward with their lives.
But given my settlement, it has made it possible for me to now start school where I can still take care of my daughter now. I'm a single parent. The settlement has made it possible for me to accomplish some things now, and now it's just getting my life back.
You know, relationships are the key to our success. It's the reason we have over 150 Google reviews. It's because we develop good relationships. We honor that trust that the clients have placed in us. And so when it comes time to go through the difficult stages of the case, the client trusts us and respects us, and they know that we have their best interests at heart and that we're going to do the very best we can for them.